Ghost Hlubi and Sia have done something that no one saw coming. They finally linked up again after their messy breakup 2 years ago. And when I say messy, I mean the kind of breakup that spills onto the internet, where you can literally feel the tension through the screen. At one point, they were throwing shots online and following each other and posting those cryptic "I'm done" stories we all know too well. But fast forward to now, November 2025. Guess what? They're suddenly in the same room again, vibing, laughing, and even creating content together at Ghost Hlubi's house. And of course, the internet went wild. Everyone wanted to know, how did we get here? What changed? What happened behind closed doors? Well, in their recent sit down, they finally addressed the elephant in the room. And trust me, it's a lot. It is a lot. So here's how everything fell apart back then. Sia was told by her friend that Ghost Hlubi was cheating on her with a girl from Pretoria. When she confronted Ghost about it, he denied everything. But the problem was she didn't fully believe him. And that doubt became the beginning of their downfall. Things escalated even more when Sia ended up back talking to her ex-boyfriend. Now, whether she did it for advice, comfort, or revenge, we'll never know. But we do know it made the situation 10 times worse. When Ghost found out she was talking to her ex, the arguments got heavier, the trust disappeared, and the relationship turned into a battlefield. But here's the plot twist. A few days later, they decided to meet up and try to fix things. They wanted closure, or at least a conversation. So Ghost drove to go fetch her. And this is where everything exploded. The moment Sia got into the car, Ghost noticed a hickey on her neck. A whole hickey. At that moment, whatever hope of fixing things went straight out of the window. Ghost felt disrespected, blindsided, and angry, and right there in the car, he told Sia it was over. No discussion, no going back. That was the end of their relationship. And just like that, their love story ended in one of the most dramatic ways possible. But life is funny because here we are 2 years later, and the energy between them is giving unfinished business. In their new Q&A video, fans asked them some real personal questions and they actually answered honestly. One question was whether they truly loved each other back then, and both of them said yes, not even hesitating. They were also asked if they ever missed each other, and again, both of them said yes. Then things got even more interesting when they were asked where they would go if they could take a trip together. Sia said Cape Town, and Ghost didn't even hide it. He literally said he wouldn't mind taking her there. The way he smiled, the way she looked at him, yeah, the spark is still sparking. The spark is definitely still sparking. At one point, they even looked through old photos and videos, memories from when they traveled to Durban together. The moment was soft, man. Ay. You could see a mix of happiness and maybe even a little regret. The comment section is already full of people saying, guys, just get back together already. Just get back together already. But then the final question, the big one, would you two ever get back together? And the second that question was asked, they both laughed, dodged it, and ended the video immediately. Which honestly tells you everything without saying anything. Because if the answer was a hard no, they would have just said it. But instead, they escaped the question like it was the police. You get me? So here's my take. Personally, I think the connection is still strong. They look good together, they vibe naturally, and even after 2 years apart, they still have chemistry that most couples never find. I wouldn't be surprised if they eventually gave it another try. But I want to hear from you. Do you think Ghost Hlubi and Sia should get back together? Or should they just leave things in the past? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be reading everything.